Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the garage. Just like to show you this. This is a trash or treasure video, and I picked this up for £3 from a charity shop. Build your own solar kit, robot kits, 6-in-1 educational solar kit. And yeah, what do I think to this one? This is not as good as quality as some of the others I've actually purchased. It's a bit horrible, the plastic, but you can build like an aeroplane that goes round in a circle, driven by solar, a car that goes along by solar, a boat that goes along by solar, and I don't know what all the other things are. Solar car, solar puppy, solar plane, solar revolving plane, solar boat, airboat, and a solar wind farm, which I don't know why you want solar to drive a wind farm. It's normally a wind farm, something else. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we've got. Now, bearing in mind this has been opened in the past by myself and whoever bought it the first time round from new. Okay, instruction booklet, 6-in-1 in English, which it looks quite detailed. Yep, instructions. Let's put the box up there at the way. £3 is a bit more than what I normally pay for these things, but let's have a look what's in the box. Right, let's get rid of the bag and another bag. Oh, it's got a spindle in. So we've got propellers, stand, bits of wire, another little propeller, solar panel, wires, electric motor. Some of these bits have been taken off of this plastic, which is fine. Balancing thing. Now then, one of the issues I've found with all these kits is unless you actually trim the plastic with a sharp knife, it can cause problems. Hello, my light's just gone out. Don't know why. And the problem is you left with these little sharp bits of plastic, and it makes things catch. And for example, I found on this, if I spin this blade, it catches. There's a little lump of plastic somewhere in this motor assembly which is catching, so it doesn't spin freely. Yeah, it's catching, so I'm going to have to take that apart and trim them down. And it's when you actually take, see if I can demonstrate, if I take this bit of plastic off of here like that, I don't know if you can see it, there's a sharp bit of plastic left on each end there. See it? They're like a little pip, and you need to trim them off. And I'll cut one off so I can show you what it's like. Now I use these pounder knives to trim them. Now you can see there's a little bit of green plastic there. I've cut off the top of this one, and there's a little bit of plastic there I've cut off there. And if you don't remove those little bits, the whole projects don't go together properly. Well, I've just made the one where the little aeroplane goes round and round and round like that, revolving solar aeroplane. You need a coin as a counterbalance to put in this end bit here. I'll put a washer in, and because the wires from the motor dangle underneath, I'll just put some sellotape on it. So I'm going to put it outside and see if it works, because there's a bit of sun. There's not much of a sun today. And we'll stick it down here and we'll see if it works. Oh, what do you reckon? Trash or treasure? Stop it if I can. Ow, ow. Which way does it turn up? I've got a bigger propeller here. What happens if I put one on the other end? I'll put one on the other end. Right, how does I put that on there? That's, let's stop it. It's got like two propellers on. Look. Let's change please. Right, so is it trash or treasure? Don't know, there's a big propeller here. Oh, so that could be just like a windmill, couldn't it? And then there's legs, and then there's some wheels there. Are all the wheels there? I assume that centerpiece can act as a wheel. Anyway, bit of fun, and it works. It's still going round. Sun goes in. It's here. It's still going round. If there's not much sun, get away with the two. Oh, the sun's gone in there.